Hello everyone, today we will talk about 7 ways to get rich in 2023 without sacrifices. Many people dream of becoming rich and changing their financial lives, but few know how to do it in a short period of time. Here are some valuable tips that can transform your life in 1 year. First tip, start with a clear goal and establish a realistic and concrete action plan. It is very important, as it emphasizes the importance of having a clear and specific goal and planning the necessary actions to achieve it. It is essential to establish a realistic and concrete plan, which takes into account the available resources and personal or organizational limitations. Without a clear goal and a well-defined action plan, it is easy to get lost along the way or make decisions that do not lead to the desired outcome. Therefore, it is important to dedicate time to defining the goal and creating a detailed plan that can be executed step by step. Second tip, cut unnecessary expenses and focus on saving money. Remember that every penny saved makes a difference. Cutting unnecessary expenses is a fundamental strategy for increasing the economy of financial resources. Often, we spend money on things that are not essential and that could be avoided, such as impulsive purchases or subscriptions to services that we do not use frequently. By identifying and cutting these expenses, it is possible to save money and redirect these resources to more important investments or to the achievement of financial goals. Third tip, invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies, but make a careful analysis before making decisions. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies can be a way to diversify the investment portfolio and maximize gains, but it is important to keep in mind that these markets can also present significant fluctuations and volatility, which requires a careful and strategic approach. Therefore, it is important that investors do their homework, carefully analyzing the companies and cryptocurrencies they wish to invest in, evaluating their fundamentals and growth prospects, as well as constantly monitoring market trends. This way, they can make more informed decisions and increase their chances of success in investments. Are you enjoying the tips? Comment if you agree or disagree with them, and stay on the video until the end because the last tip is the most important. Let's go to them. Fourth tip, consider starting your own business, but keep in mind that this requires a lot of work and dedication. Starting your own business can bring numerous advantages, such as having more freedom and flexibility in time management and strategic choices, as well as enabling the realization of a personal and financial dream. However, it is important to remember that owning your own business requires a lot of dedication, effort, and commitment. Therefore, before making the decision to start your own business, it is essential to evaluate your skills, abilities, and expectations, as well as to conduct a thorough analysis of the market and the target audience. You must be willing to invest time and resources and have a solid and well-structured business plan. Fifth tip, invest in yourself, acquiring new skills and knowledge that can be useful in the future. Investing in yourself through the acquisition of new skills and knowledge is an intelligent and valuable strategy to ensure personal and professional success in the future. Continuous learning can open doors to opportunities that previously seemed unattainable, as well as contribute to the development of a more creative and adaptable mindset. Therefore, it is important to dedicate time and effort to invest in yourself and stay updated in a constantly changing world. Sixth tip, be patient and disciplined. Do not give up in the face of difficulties, and stay motivated to achieve your goals. Being patient, disciplined, and staying motivated are essential skills for achieving goals and overcoming challenges. The journey towards success can be long and difficult, but it is important not to give up and persevere, even in the face of difficulties. Discipline is crucial for maintaining focus and consistency in work, while patience helps us deal with setbacks and stay calm in moments of pressure. Finally, motivation is the driving force that propels us to continue pursuing our dreams and goals. With patience, discipline, and motivation, it is possible to overcome adversities and achieve great accomplishments. The seventh and most important tip: be grateful for what you have, but always strive for more. Be grateful for what you have, but always strive for more brings a powerful message about balance and perspective in life. On the one hand, it is important to cultivate gratitude for what we already have in our lives and value the good things that often go unnoticed. On the other hand, it is also healthy to have a sense of ambition and desire to progress, grow, and achieve more in life. However, it is important to be careful not to let the desire for more consume all of our focus and energy, leaving us dissatisfied and unable to appreciate the good things we already have. It is important to find a healthy balance between gratitude and ambition, maintaining a positive and realistic perspective on life and our goals. Therefore, we should be grateful for what we have, but we should not let gratitude turn into complacency. We should always strive for more, working hard to achieve our goals and dreams, but at the same time, never forget to value and appreciate the blessings we already have in our lives. These are some ways to get rich in a year, but remember that there is no magic formula. Effort, dedication, and persistence are required to achieve financial success. And now, for those who have made it this far, the most important way to get rich in a year is to have financial education. Learning how to deal with money consciously and responsibly is essential for achieving your financial goals. So, that's it, guys. I hope these tips have been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and share with your friends. See you next time.